God bless. I am about to do some curry chicken this morning. Aunty Clair way of cooking curry chicken. So I would like you to see how I do it. So I'm cutting up some Irish onion, carrot, you can see, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, right? So lots of stuff, and I have my season from Jamaica in the Maggi backer, and I have ginger powder, black pepper, curry, right? So this is the way, garlic powder. This is the way I do my curry chicken. So what I would like you to do, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button, please, and thank you. Don't forget to touch it. That's when the ads come out. Please. Comment down below. Comment down below, please. So this is Aunty Clair way of doing curry chicken. So you can see the meat chicken. Big slices of chicken. Okay? Yes. And you soon see the color change when I do up the curry on it. This is the curry. My curry from Jamaica and the one up here. And I also put some turmeric on it. Yeah. You know, that's the way I cook my curry. Yeah. With my turmeric. And you have the Maggi, my season from Jamaica. Okay. Yeah. This is it. Ginger powder. Yeah. Sometimes I use the actual ginger, and next time I use just the ginger powder. Okay? No egg. Garlic powder. Also, I cut up the real garlic in it. Right? Black pepper. You know we have to use it. Look a bit in the curry. A little bit of salt. Little bit. Yes. So, this is it. I'm going to cut up these now and get it inside of it. So when you look again and see a few more minutes, the color will be changed. So Aunty Clair, get to it. Don't forget, touch the notice button, comment down below, please, and thank you. Please vote it. And delicious curry chicken, hot pepper, taste it. Aunty Clair Jamaican curry, and some roti will be there with it. Okay? Yes. So, look at these colors. Look at the colors then. You see it? Lots of colors. Please, look at it. Soon change. So, a few minutes, you get me again. And some white rice. Cook in the pot. White rice. Wow. Shelly white rice. Yes. That is the way we do it. So, like, share, and comment down below. Please and thank you. Follow me, please. Yes.
Yeah, man. Boom, 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 boom.
Follow me.
Follow.
Yes.
Follow.
Yes. Me. Get the thing up, you know? Aunty Clair cooking channel, you know? Everyone like Aunty Clair colors, cooking color. Because I do it the right way. Later on I will be cooking this. I want it marinate up and soak the season, soak in it. Please. Carrot. I also love my carrot in my curry. Can't do it without it. So yep. Yeah. Get to it now, girl. And my beautiful granddaughter is doing this thing.
Yeah, man.
My beautiful two granddaughter. Yes. Look at it now. I'm gonna marinate it up now. Look at this color changing now. Beautiful. Such a beauty. You guys can just comment if you need something like this to do, and I will do it for you guys. Soon and later, I put my number that you can see. Okay? Get it up. Yes. So thank you for watching me. Don't forget to comment down below and follow me. Comment. Subscribe.